Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are from jagranjosh.com and we have approached one center of CBSE where CBSE class 12th board exam paper is being conducted. तो आज हम यहाँ पे आए ये जानने के लिए कि आज का पेपर कैसा था, बच्चों को कैसा लगा, एग्जामिनर ने पेपर में क्या ट्विस्ट रखा है। लास्ट ईयर ये पेपर बहुत ही टफ था, बहुत सारे रिव्यू आए थे कि पेपर बहुत लेंदी था, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस बहुत लेंदी थे और टाइम पे ख़त्म नहीं कर पाए बच्चों के मार्क्स ख़राब हो गए। तो इसलिए आज हम बच्चों से बात करेंगे अभी और जानेंगे कि पेपर कैसा था। हम टीचर से भी इस पेपर का फीडबैक लेंगे। सो हाउ वाज द पेपर?
It was good, but it was pretty easy. But it was so lengthy that we couldn't attempt the whole paper. So
was the paper NCERT based?
Yeah, it was from the NCERT book only. No, nothing was out of syllabus. I think everything was from the book only.
Can you tell me one thing, that what were your strategy to prepare well for this exam?
Actually, at first I covered all the NCERT syllabus, and then I started practicing through sample papers like ULIKE and RD Sharma's, etc., and the previous year exams.
So was the paper according to the blueprint given by the CBSE?
Most of the questions are from the blueprint, but there were some unexpected question as well.
In which section?
In section number, I think C, in section C. Actually, unexpected for me, not for other, I don't know.
How many marks you expecting?
Actually, I'm not counting my math subject on top 4 because my maths is weak. So I'm expecting not more than 70.
Was the paper in CRT based or came from outside of the syllabus, something like that?
Not exactly outside the syllabus, just the concept is the same, values are different.
तो बच्चों से बाइट लेने के बाद हम आते हैं फीडबैक के लिए मैथ एक्सपर्ट्स के पास और उनसे पूछेंगे कि उनका क्या व्यू है आज के पेपर पे।
Today's paper was good, and if we compare the question paper from last year, it was a little bit simple paper from last year.
So was the paper NCERT based?
It is NCERT based. Almost 60 to 65% questions are based on directly from NCERT. It was asked this year.
So again they have given some question from NCERT exemplar as they done last year.
No, this year from exemplar, I don't think there is any question from exemplar. Most of the questions, around 60 to 70% questions are from NCERT, and other questions are also NCERT based questions. And the questions are also given from last year's also.
Okay.
If the students have prepared from last 5 years, so he can score a good marks.
Okay. So can you measure in terms of percentage how much percentage was came from the last 5-year papers?
If we compare it from last 5 years, so approximately 20 to 25% questions are from last 5 years. And maybe this year we see more numbers of 100 marks.
Okay.
Or compared to last year.
So what do you expect how the marks will be?
This year marks will increase, definitely. If we compare the result from last year, definitely student will score more marks.
Okay.
For last year.
Can you give some suggestion to the student how they can prepare well for the next year?
For next year also the same pattern they have to follow. First they have to complete NCERT, and then last year question papers, last 5 to 6 year question papers, and at least one reference book they have to keep.
And one thing, today so many companies like us, jagranjosh.com, CBSE section, we are providing a lot of questions, solved question paper and everything for the students. So how these things can help? Whether the students are coming online?
Some students there are a kind of students who are coming online, they are searching for the material, online material also, like question papers and question banks also. So sometimes it helps to the students.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you
so much. So अभी हमने देखा, हमने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ साथ हमने टीचर भी बात करा जो मैथ्स के एक्सपर्ट टीचर हैं और उन्होंने बताया कि इस साल का जो पेपर था वो लास्ट ईयर के कंपेयर में इजी था। कुछ क्वेश्चन 2-3 क्वेश्चन थे जो हाई थिंकिंग ऑर्डर के थे, बट इस साल बच्चे अच्छे मार्क्स ला सकते हैं। पेपर इजी था, बिट लेंदी, बट यस ऑब्वियसली स्टूडेंट कैन गेट द गुड मार्क्स दिस ईयर।
For more on current affairs, log on to jagranjosh.com.